In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over images and GIFs in Card effortlessly. Card is a fantastic platform for creating one-page sites, and adding text over your visuals can make your design pop and communicate your message more effectively. So let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First things first, we need to open the Card editor. If you haven't already, log into your Card account and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a variety of tools that you can use on your page. Let's focus on the basics here as we get everything set up for adding text over images or GIFs. Next, on the main toolbar in your editor, you'll notice a button that says Add Element. Click on this button, and from the drop-down menu, select Gallery. This will allow us to create a section where we can upload and manage our images and GIFs. This feature is particularly useful if you plan to display multiple visuals on your page. Now, with the gallery element in place, you'll need to upload your image or GIF. To do this, find the Upload button, which should now be visible. Click on it and your computer's file explorer will open. Navigate to the location where you've stored the image or GIF that you wish to use. Click to select the file and then hit Open. This will upload your chosen visual into the gallery. The next part involves adding the text you want to appear over your image or GIF. In the gallery settings, there's a field labeled Caption. Here is where the magic happens. Type in the text that you wish to display over your image or GIF. Once you're satisfied with the text, simply press Enter. That locks in your caption so it aligns perfectly with your visual. After setting your caption, let's move on to customizing the appearance of your text. On the menu, look for the Appearance tab, which is represented by a paintbrush icon. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new set of options. From here, select the Captions tab. This section will offer various ways to refine how your caption looks against your visual. Now that we're on the Captions tab, you'll find a drop-down box labeled Style. By clicking on this, you can choose whether you want your text centered at the top or at the bottom, among other positions. This choice is all about how you want your text to interact visually with the image or GIF you selected. Finally, one more detail to consider is when you want the caption to appear, there's a visibility drop-down that provides options like Always, On Hover, or Not Hovered. This lets you control exactly when viewers will see your caption. Once you're happy with all your settings, it's time to conclude. Click on Done to save your changes, and your visually enhanced card page is ready to go. That's it. You've successfully added textual context to your images and GIFs in Card. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.